This is San Diego News Daily.
I'm Monica Dean. Let's get right into your top local stories. Things are getting back to normal at San Diego International Airport after a ground stop prevented flights from arriving or departing for a few hours. This all happened after the landing gear of a small private jet failed around 6:30 last night. It sat there in the middle of the runway, which caused a problem since the airport only has one runway. The situation was resolved just before 10 p.m., but it still made for a nightmare travel day for some, and there were still some issues early this morning.
Came here to drop off my auntie and my uncle right now, and then I was like, wow, she calls me right away, don't go yet, my flight is canceled. It's going to be an interesting day today at the airport. So I'm like, okay, let me go park the car. Let's go use Mr. Muscle and help out.
According to FlightAware, nearly 24 flights were canceled and more than a dozen were delayed. So if you have a flight scheduled for today, you might want to check the status before you head to the airport. Chief Meteorologist Sheena Parveen joins us now with a look at this muggy and rainy forecast.
Hi there. As we head through the rest of the day today, we're going to be drier than we were early this morning, but we're still going to have the possibility of some scattered showers or a thunderstorm. Upper 80s, inland upper 70s at the coast. Mountains and deserts are still under a flood watch through tonight with the possibility of maybe some localized heavy rainfall there. For tomorrow, we're going to be drier for the coast. We'll see sunshine. It'll still be humid around 80 degrees, around 80 Saturday, still humid but dry. Sunday, Monday, we could be looking at another rain chance. Your 10 days coming up.
Okay, thank you. The woman who ran a local residential care facility pleaded not guilty to felony abuse charges. Maria Delgado took care of the elderly residents at J&M Happy Guest Home in Mira Mesa. An investigation by the Attorney General found there was not enough staff at the facility and residents were often left in their beds, sometimes sitting in dirty diapers for days at a time. That led to some suffering from bed sores, dehydration, and malnutrition. Delgado is out on bail, but she was ordered not to continue working.
Ma'am, in addition to you obeying the law, appearing at every court appearance in person and on time, you were ordered to not provide any care for any non-related elderly adults or dependent adults.
NBC7 spoke with people who live near the care facility. They said they were surprised to hear about the charges. The complaint mentions 4 women by name who were at the care facility in 2020. We got in touch with the son of one of them. Andrew Braun says his mother, Marcia, was at J&M after developing dementia. He also said he had not heard about the charges.
Not surprised, but there's not much else I could do at the time. It's really hard, yeah. It's you don't know, you gotta believe everybody, you know. The care seemed to be good, she seemed to be all right. You know, there was one incident where she got a black eye. I think they told me she was getting up and wandering and slipped on the tile floor.
Delgado is expected to be back in court in November.
I was gone for 10 minutes. I got a call there was a fire. I came back 10 minutes later and it was almost out.
Fire crews quickly stopped a lithium battery fire inside an industrial building in the Midway district. Investigators say that fire started at a recycling facility on Houston Street last night. They say recycled materials and lithium-ion batteries on site caused that fire to grow quickly. Nearly 60 firefighters were able to put out the flames within 30 minutes. Hazmat crews remain to clean up the facility. A big day for Southwestern College as the Chula Vista campus gets ready to officially open its doors to the new student union. A ribbon-cutting ceremony will be held at noon today. The state-of-the-art facility will serve as the hub of student life and bring together essential student support services and gathering spaces all under one roof. It will house not only the Associated Student Organization, but culinary arts, health and personal wellness, and the Veterans Resource Center. Also today, a major milestone for Meals on Wheels here in San Diego. It is marking its 65th year in service. The organization will host a celebration later, saying while 65 years usually marks retirement, Meals on Wheels in San Diego is still going strong. It serves about 15,000 meals weekly. That's because 1 in 10 seniors experience hunger. Just last year, it delivered more than 644,000 meals to more than 4,600 local seniors. San Diego is home to more than 13,000 nonprofit organizations, and when it comes to funding them, local leaders say we're in a crisis. The solution they're bringing to the table, that's coming up next. Stay with us.